Hello, hello. Hey guys, welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. I hope all is well. For those of you who are new to my channel, I am starting my healthy weight loss journey and it's going pretty well. So stick around. You may want to like, subscribe, and share and all that good stuff, okay? Because we're going to be dropping some gems and helping you also on your journey, whatever that may look like. I've chosen Weight Watchers, but if you're doing keto, paleo, Jenny Craig, whatever, we're all in the same fight together. So come on with me, okay? So today I'm going to be talking about why does it cost so much to eat healthy? Why does it cost so much to eat healthy? So I just got back from the grocery store. I'm going to show you what I bought really quick. And then we're going to talk about it. So I got some chicken breasts. Now, first of all, anybody who know Publix, know they tend to be a little higher. So I got some chicken breasts. Let me see, can I move this camera because my head is cut off. Hold on. There we go. So I got some chicken breasts. I got some lemons. I got some onions. Now they are Vidalia, whatever you want to say. Those are a little pricier. So I just wanted those today. Those onions were how much? $5. So that's a lot. And I got some oranges. Y'all know I love me some oranges. So I just wanted to show you this. They're pretty big. Now these are the big ones that I like. I ate all the little ones. That's what I was looking over there for. So I got 6 oranges, and they were $2.19 a pound. So these oranges, this bag of 6 was $11.17 to be exact. Okay, so I got some lemons. I'm going to be doing a video coming up about lemons, but I got some lemons. I got 3 of these for $1. Oh no, the lemons were 3 for $3. They're pretty big though, so I'm going to be using those in drinking water, just trying to increase my water. And I heard lemon was good for a lot of different things. So I did get some bananas, just showing you a few things I bought. I bought some bananas and trying to see how this bill came up to $55. Oh, a dozen of eggs, which y'all know what eggs look like. But I got a dozen of eggs. They were $3.59, right? And some kiwi. I'm also implementing kiwi this week in my diet. I'm probably going to be talking about that in a video too. So I'm trying some kiwi because I heard it's good for constipation. So we'll be talking about that. And also look for an upcoming video on dragon fruit. So I bought that today too, right? So I bought a few things that some people may consider to be, ooh, kind of sassy, classy, right? Not your run-of-the-mill apple, just a plain old apple or plum, right? So anyway, let's talk about, so that total bill came to $54. $54. That's a lot for that little bit of food I just showed y'all. And I think I showed you everything. Only thing I didn't show you is I bought frozen avocados. I think I already put that in the freezer. Oh no, they're here. I got frozen avocados. That's the bag in the camera. Frozen avocados to put in my smoothie. So for something green, instead of always using spinach and kale, I wanted to just try that and just see, you know, what effect it had, good or bad or whatever. So anyway, everything came up to $54.43. That's not a lot of stuff. That's not a lot. So let's talk about why it costs so much more to eat healthy and see, can we reason and rationalize it, okay, make ourselves feel better about it. So first of all, production cost. It just costs more anytime you have organic farming, and none of this is organic. I put back the organic kiwi because the organic kiwi was $12 for 4. Could not afford organic, so I got the regular ones, and I told you already I got 4 of them. I did not actually. I got 4 kiwi. I showed it to you though. I got 4 kiwi for $5. 4 of these. So I'm gonna eat 1. Again, it's supposed to help with constipation, so we'll see what happens with that. That is a video coming soon. So, you know, it costs more. You have more people working. It's more labor intensive. You know, they're trying to make sure there ain't no chemicals on it. The fertilizers have to be cleaner for it to be called organic. And even just healthier overall eating just costs more. The processing of it, you know, anything processed, usually they can make it in larger volumes. So it's cheaper. This packaged. But with this, you got to worry about the shelf life. You know, how long can it last? How long does it take to get from point A to point B? You know, the orange comes from Florida normally, or California. It's got to drive all the way from it's got to drive. It's got to be transported all the way from California to Georgia. You know, that's a long way for them to bring me this orange. So that costs money, right? Then you got to think about, like we were talking about already, transportation. And then you want to get it there quickly because they don't want it to spoil en route. So I'm like 3 to 4 days. If you go straight to California, they want to make sure that the orange is not bad by the time they pull it from the tree. So all of that costs money too. Then they got to market to you. All those orange juice commercials and all that. You got to pay for advertising for healthy stuff. So, you know, they want to make sure everybody knows it's out there. It's widely available because they may have it out there, but if no one's buying it, you don't know it exists. Then, you know, so now you got to advertise. So they charging all of that to us. There are some government subsidies that certain crops get, like corn, soil, and wheat. They get money from the government for processing those particular things. But the majority of produce that we receive, these farmers are not getting any kind of kickback, you could say, or any kind of assistance. So it's just on them to produce it, ship it to us, and everything. So when you look at all of that, yeah, it's worth it. You know, when you think about all that goes into getting this little orange or this kiwi to me or to you. When you think about it like that, right? But now we got to think about it as a consumer. I also bought bananas. I didn't show y'all that. I don't think I did. I don't remember. But anyway, so now let's talk about it as a consumer. So overall, we know it's going to cost more for us to eat healthier. Now, I've always had a problem with that. I'm like, why it costs so much more to eat healthy? I can go to McDonald's and get a cheeseburger, fry, and a drink for $2. But now one orange costs almost $2, right? So the point is, you're going to pay for it some kind of way. Either we're going to pay and eat healthy, or we're going to eat McDonald's and still end up paying more. Why? Because our health insurance is going to cost more. Right now, I got a height, weight issue where I cannot get the cheapest insurance because I'm overweight. I cannot get the cheapest insurance because I'm overweight. Now, as I continue to lose weight, I may be able to qualify for cheaper insurance. But you're going to pay more in health insurance costs, which means more doctor bills, because insurance companies don't want to take a risk on you. They think you're going to stroke out, fall out, or whatever, right? More hospital visits because you're overweight. So when you think about it that way, okay, $50 today versus a $50,000 ER visit because you had too much to eat, fast food, greasy foods, etc., right? So you think about it like that, cost-wise, this is a drop in the bucket. So I'm trying to reset my mind. Like I said, I bought these oranges. They were $11, and I'm thinking, oh, that's a lot. This pack of chicken breast was $10. Now, you can save some money. I'm going to give you a few tips on how to save some money so we can eat overall healthier and take out the mental part of it. Because mentally, it's hard to process paying $5 for one item. You know, and you're thinking, and let me rephrase that too. Because it's nothing for me to go to McDonald's and spend $20 on me and my husband to get a chicken McNugget meal, the 10-piece. We each like the 10-piece. And that's $20 with a drink and fries. Nothing. I don't even blink. But now I'm sitting up here talking about $50 from Publix when I get all this food. Even though, you know what I'm saying? It's a mindset. It's a mind shift. So I'm getting there. So now sometimes if I have to spend a little bit more on healthier produce, I'm like, bring it. I welcome it because I feel like I'm doing something good for my body. I'm doing something good for me. So if you cannot afford organic, which I cannot, and I'll be honest with you, sometimes I don't even like the taste of organic stuff. I really don't. I have a running joke that I like the produce, the preservatives and stuff that they put in there. Anything healthy, I'm like, no. My body's like, reject, no, alert. But all that being said, if you cannot buy organic, and again, it's not even my preferred taste, buy as fresh as you can. And then if you cannot buy fresh, because sometimes fresh costs more, buy frozen. And if you have to, buy canned goods. Canned goods are fine for you. I have, hold on 1 second. Because I buy a lot of spinach in the can. That's my favorite. Hold on 1 second. I want to show y'all. So we do buy canned goods. We do, because it's just easier. So this corn is only 60 calories. It has fiber. The only ingredients in this is, I believe it's just corn and water. Hold on. Because sometimes we think, oh, I gotta buy organic, or I have to buy. I don't see it on this can of corn. Hold on, the ingredients. Oh, there it is. Ingredients. No, it doesn't. Oh yeah, ingredients are corn, water, and salt. So there's not even any added chemicals to this. So if you have to buy canned goods, it's okay. It's not a problem. Same thing with the green beans. These are our favorite canned vegetables that we like. So this one has no salt added. It's the Walmart brand. And again, the ingredients are green beans and water. That's not going to kill you. It's better than eating McDonald's. So if you cannot afford fresh, it's okay. Get the next best thing. So of course, let's do it in order really quick. So your best bet is fresh. If you can't do fresh, go ahead and get frozen. Nothing wrong with that. I got frozen avocado I just showed you, okay? If you can't get frozen, get the can. And you can always rinse off the salt. If you think it's too much salt intake, rinse it off and then just have whatever the contents are, you know, because it's packaged in salt and water because they still have to preserve it. So that's way cheaper. So, and even planning out your grocery trips. You know, I have a family member that goes to 3 or 4 different stores, you know, to get stuff. Now, I don't typically do that because I just don't have time. But if you have time, make a list. What's on sale at Publix? What's on sale at Walmart? What's on sale at Aldi's? You know, we got to really think long term. And again, the health benefits are what? Avoiding hospital stays, cheaper insurance, right? Less medications. All this goes into making better decisions at the grocery store. Okay, it all starts right there. It actually starts before you leave. When you're at home, make that list. Now, I always went to the store with a list, but I really try to go now because I don't want to go into the middle aisles as late. I want to go into the middle aisles as least as possible. I try to work the outside, the outside of the store because that's where the healthiest stuff is, right? So I have been feeling really great, guys. Again, if you have not joined me on my journey, please subscribe, like, and all that good stuff because I'm going to be bringing you some tips. I'm keeping it real. I'm doing Weight Watchers. I don't work for them. But again, as I stated in the beginning, whatever plan you are doing, keto, paleo, Jenny Craig, Noom, or whatever, we got you covered over here because we're going to talk about the mental part of this too, from a real life person that's dealing with weight issues, okay? And then one more tip I wanted to leave with you. If you buy your fruit, because especially like bananas, they go bad so quick, don't throw them out. Peel them, freeze them, because I made the mistake. Confession is good for the soul. I'm not a master cook. I tell y'all that all the time. So I made the mistake of freezing a whole banana. So when I took it out to put in my smoothie, I was like, now how am I going to do this? So it did not peel, needless to say. It did not peel. That was hilarious. So anyway, I talked to my mother-in-law, and you're supposed to peel the banana before you freeze it, okay? And then you can turn around and use it in your smoothie. Or if it's going bad, you can make a banana bread. So it's many ways to use it. So a lot of times that's another reason why canned goods are so good. You lose the value of them because, you know, you got to throw them out if it ain't no good, right? And the same thing with what other product? It was something else I just showed you. I can't think of it now, but it was something else I was going to show you here that it can go bad really quick. Oh, I know, the avocado. The same thing with the avocado. They go bad really quick. So I bought these frozen ones. Now I'm going to see what they taste like. I'll come back and tell y'all in another video or another day or something. But anyway, so I got the frozen ones. And that way I can just pull them out as needed because they go bad so quick you never really use them all, right? So again, today we talked about why healthy food costs so much. Why? Is it worth it to invest in yourself? As I already stated, all the benefits. Yes, it is. Well, these are the tips I wanted to share with you today. Again, we're going to quit being cheap. We're going to invest in ourselves. And we're going to get it done. We are going to get it done. By the time the next season roll around, whatever the time it is you're looking at this video, we're going to be looking hot and fly, right? We're going to believe, inspire, and make an impact. All right. Well, until next time, guys, this is Healthy Life with Kimmy. Bye.